Hello, students. Hello, welcome to this class. This is teacher Jacob, and today we're gonna have a special class. It's gonna be a listening class. All right. Remember, it's mandatory you listen and watch every day, every moment that you have time. Suggestion: every day listen English. Every day you listen English. Every day you need to listen or watch the video, Jacob, 1 hour. So you repeat, then repeat, and repeat 3 times the video because it's listening. Listening is very important. May I see your attention, please? Vamos a explicarlo en español. La clase de escucha debe ser una misión de ustedes, que cada video del teacher Jacobo lo escuchen mínimo 3 veces. Es decir, 1 hora diaria deben de escuchar inglés si queremos mejorar el inglés. Estudiante que no escucha inglés, estudiante que no aprende inglés. ¿Ok? Listen, listen, and listen 1 hour every day. Perfect. So this video is for 6th grade. Today it's June 14th on 2020, and the class for today is listening class. Remember that. Today we have a listening class. It is spectacular because it's listening, the importance of listening. Let's do it. Don't forget, you need to write here. Here you need to write the date. So you need to write July 14th, 2020. Okay? You need to write that. July 14th, 2020. And the class is listening class. Of course, before the class, let's do this vocabulary. Describing people, okay? And let's go for the parts of the body, the face, parts of the head, the face, okay? So you're gonna listen to me, and then you're going to repeat 5 times. Repeat 5 times. Let me see. 1, face. Repeat. Face, 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 face. So face, this is the face. This, mouth. Repeat. Mouth, 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 mouth. Perfect. This is mouth, okay? This is a mouth. This is the face. This is a mouth. Ears, ears. Repeat 5 times. Ears, 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 ears. Very good. This is hair. Hair. Repeat. Hair, 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 hair. This is nose. This is a nose. Repeat. Nose, 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 nose. Okay? This eyes. These eyes, 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 eyes. So in this, you're gonna write the names here. For example, you write face, and then here this part. No, this is ears. This part is face. This is mouth, and this eyes, and this is hair, and this is nose. In this part, nose. Okay, this nose you write here. All right. After that, you need to repeat. You need to choose tall or short. So repeat 5 times. Tall, short, tall, short, tall, short, tall, short. Okay? Short, long hair. All right? According to the picture, this is Short or long. Short, pequeño para una persona. Y long, largo, para largo de longitud. Porque tall, esta palabra tall es alto, pero para una persona. ¿Ok? Tall and short. Short, tall. Entonces, short here, no, no. Bueno, aunque a veces se puede decir short here. Eh, pero ella lo tiene long hair. ¿Ok? And look at the color. What color is it she has? The color of her eyes. These eyes. I think it looks like brown. Brown eyes. She has a big or small nose. This nose, big or small? It's a small. Okay, good. What else? He has a big or small nose. This is like a small. It's not big. It's not clear. All right. And he has a big or small ears. Let me see. He has a small, well, big ears, big. Unas orejas grandes, big ears. Okay, ears. All right. Right. We're not gonna write this. So Sally is short. She. She has green. Green. What is green? Green. Well, we don't see it here. Maybe it is eyes. Tal vez son los ojos, pero no se ve claro aquí. Clear. Creo que sería green. Okay, good. Right, green. All right. So according to the pictures, you complete 1 and 2. Now, let's go to the listening part. Match the situations with the cards, okay? What is this? Happy birthday. This is like a present, baby. Congratulations. Happy birthday, like a present. Look. Listen and circle the card of the situation the people mention it. Attention. Cuando ustedes escuchen algo de estos dibujos, tienen que hacerle un chulito, ¿ok? Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let me see how is it going. Come on, let's do it. Come on, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. This is a conversation between Dana and John. All right. So what's that? Dana, John. It's a photo of my sister's new baby. New baby. Dana, who does he look like? Who does he look like? John, well, he has his mom eyes. Mom eyes. He has his mom eyes. Donna, blue eyes. John, and he has his mom nose and mouth. And he has her grandparents' red hair. The color is this is red hair. We're talking about the baby. Donna, red hair, cool. What about his dad? His dad, daddy or father. John, my sister says his he has his dad's big ears. Big ears. Donna, wow, that's cool. All right, so in the phrase we're talking about this, or this. So in general, we're talking about baby. So we're talking about this too, because it's a baby, nothing else. All right. So baby with baby connection. So be here, be okay. Now listen and circle the cards of mentioners. So baby, here is the baby. All right. Listen again and match the characteristics. Remember, mom is mother, es como mamá. Dad, daddy or father. Dad is daddy or father. And grandparents. So big eyes, mom, dad, or grandparents. Listen and write. En esta tienes que escribir la M, la D de papá, o G de grandparents, de abuelitos, o M de mom, de mamá. So listen, repeat again, repeat. Dana, what's that? John, it's a photo of my sister's new baby. My sister's new baby. Donna, who does he look like? ¿A quién se parece? Who does he look like? John, well, he has his mom eyes. Mom eyes. So you write M here in eyes, okay? Continue. Donna, blue eyes. John, and he has his mom's nose and mouth. Listen, listen. He has his mom, nose, and eyes. So he has his mom, nose, and mouth too. And he has her grandparents hair. This is hair, his grandparents hair. All right, so you're gonna write here no, I'm worried, no, I'm not here. Grandparents hair, grandparents. So G, you write here. This letter G, you write here. And mom, you're gonna write here, here, and here, okay? And what about the ears? My sister says he has his dad's ears. So you're gonna write the here, okay? And that's all. Did you pay attention? It's very simple. Nevertheless, remember this class especially is for listening. So you need to listen carefully, especially the pronunciation of the parts of the face. So let me help you do and then you repeat. So you need to repeat after me. Okay, so repeat. Nose, mouth, face, eyes. Wow, this is glasses. Eyes, ears, hair. This is hair. This is ears. This, this is brown eye. Eyebrow, eyelash, cheek, mouth, cheek. Okay, very simple. Nose, mouth, ear, hair, face, eyes. Nothing else. Nothing else. Okay, nothing else. All right. According to this listening, what you need to repeat in your house is the pronunciation, face, mouth, ears, hair, nose, eyes, and then you write this here. And the second exercise is writing according to the characteristic of Harry and Sally. So you need to write according to these pictures, according to these characters, okay? Their characteristics. And this writing we're not gonna do. But keep in mind that you need to describe your family. Not now, later. Later you need to describe your father or your mother. Okay? And congratulations. That's all. Nothing else. I hope so you understood what is the most important thing that you need to do in your house? Listening. Listening, teacher Jacob, three times. The video you need to watch 3 times in your house if you want to learn English.